All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to answer the question of, Larry, what do you do if you've got a bunch of your pals unconscious inside of your party and you don't want to wait 10 minutes for them to get revived to go do something? Well, the simple answer is, if you've captured either a Lyleen or a Lyleen Noct, their Goddess of the Tranquil Light ability, when activated, will restore the health of the player and their pals by 85%. So if I pop her into my party and I like replace, I don't know, Lumen, and then I bring her out and then I hit F. There, I hit F and she does this little spritz where she like almost looks like she's throwing seeds on one of those planters over there. It massively restores all of the health of all the characters in the party, and look, Warsect and Crispy Tips have already gotten back to full health. Well, this one's still healing for a couple seconds when I open my menu, but it doesn't take them long. And then all you have to do is either swap back out your Lyleen, just throw her back inside of the box, or if you need to use them again, you can just pull them right back out. And by putting them back in the box for literally half a second, the Tranquil Light healing ability is back available. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been just a quick look at how you can restore the health of your entire team if they've been knocked unconscious using a Lyleen or a Lyleen Noct. You can actually find both of them next to each other at nighttime over here on Sakurajima Island on the north here. The coordinates are -632 and 303. If you wait till nighttime, these both appear at the exact same place as a dual boss, and they're super easy to catch at level 58. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.